Okay, so hello. I'm going to show you how to restore your German World War II German helmets. So I've bought two of those in the market. They were, of course, rusted. So we have M35, I think, and an M42. So basically, I have taken those helmets to a car dealer and had the rust removed by using industrial sandblasting. So as you see, the after that helmet is with holes or craters. So that's how it looked like after the sandblasting. And unfortunately I didn't film it afterwards, but then I used polyester to cover up all the craters, so it's almost finished. And then I will of course spray it with primer. So, and this one hasn't been processed, but this one had holes after the cleaning, so you can see the craters and everything, and of course you can probably see the holes. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there. And I used the polyester with the fiberglass in it, so it would have a good seal. So here we have some holes as well. Okay, so of course I ordered some of those pins. So this is for M35. You see it's slightly bent in, and it says, let's see what it says, MS44. So I guess that's the early pins. And for this one, it's see, it's curved. It's not as big as this one. Oh, and it says, let's see, 1941 DC or something. So this is a different one. So this goes for M42, and I will make this one an SS helmet, and this one will probably be the Wehrmacht olive green, and this will be dunkelgrau or dark gray or something. And I'm using two sorts of polyesters. So this is the simple one. That's what I use for the surface, and this one is with fiberglass. So you should use that if your helmet has some holes or dents or anything like that. So basically you can see the inside. I have removed the liner, which was rusty as well, and this one was with no liner, but this one had a very big crack in it, so I have fixed it up and looks quite okay. Then the line around here was rusted away, so I will make a new line by using polyester. So then let's proceed, shall we? Okay, so we're finished with the polyester. I have taken some polyester in some places like here, because there were unfinished holes there. Then on the edges, because they were a little bit more, chipped or something. And of course here as well. Now I just need to use sandpaper to take it off, and hopefully the whole helmet, the outside, only the outside of the helmet will be ready. Then I'll start on the inside, and then it will be ready for spraying and painting. Here I'll as well use some of the leftovers of polyester on this helmet. I'll of course finish up the whole thing here. And I've taken some on here because I need to have the similar outlining, as you see, that goes here, because that one has rusted off. So I just made a new one with polyester. Then I'm just gonna grind it off and smoothen it, and it will be ready. So yeah, stay tuned.